Did you know that over 70% of cyber attacks in the last year exploited vulnerabilities in SMB? Quite a shocking revelation, isn't it? This startling statistic underlines the profound importance and the inherent risks involved in the server message block protocol, colloquially known as SMB. To put it simply, SMB is a network protocol used by Windows-based computers to communicate with other systems. It's like the lingua franca of the digital world, enabling shared access to files, printers, serial ports, and other resources on a network. But just like any other language, it has its quirks and vulnerabilities, which, if exploited, can lead to some serious damage. The overwhelming prevalence of SMB in our interconnected world, combined with its inherent security risks, make it a prime target for cyber attackers. Hence, it becomes imperative for us to understand what SMB is, how it works, and how we can protect ourselves. So it's crucial to understand what SMB is and how it works. Server Message Block, or SMB, is a communication protocol used for sharing access to files, printers, and other resources on a network. Now, to understand SMB, imagine it as a language that devices on a network use to speak to each other. It's like English or Spanish, but for computers. This protocol allows different devices to communicate, regardless of their operating systems. It's the bridge that connects Windows, macOS, and Linux devices together, allowing them to share resources seamlessly. Now, let's talk about the Common Internet File System, or CIFS. It's an iteration of the SMB protocol. To put it simply, CIFS is a version of SMB that was developed by Microsoft in the late 90s. It was designed for internet usage, hence the name. CIFS is often used interchangeably with SMB, which can cause some confusion. So, what's the difference between SMB and CIFS? Well, when we talk about SMB, we're referring to the general protocol used for network communication. It has numerous versions, with SMB2 and SMB3 being the latest and most efficient. On the other hand, CIFS is a specific version of SMB. It's an older, less efficient version that's not as commonly used today. The main differences between SMB and CIFS lie in their performance and capabilities. SMB2 and SMB3, for example, offer better performance and additional features compared to CIFS. They provide faster data transfers, improved security, and better network usage. That's why most modern systems use these newer versions of SMB instead of CIFS. So, to put it in perspective, it's like comparing a classic car to a modern one. CIFS, like the classic car, was revolutionary in its time, but technology has moved on. SMB2 and SMB3, like modern cars, are faster, safer, and more efficient. However, it's important to note that while all CIFS are SMB, not all SMBs are CIFS. It's like how all squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. So remember, while CIFS is a form of SMB, they're not the same thing. So, not all SMBs are CIFS, but all CIFS are SMBs. As with any technology, SMB and CIFS have their vulnerabilities. Now, you might be thinking that these protocols, which are designed to facilitate file and print sharing over a network, are secure. But, like a well-fortified castle, even they have their weak spots. One of the most common vulnerabilities of SMB and CIFS is their susceptibility to man-in-the-middle attacks. Now, this is not a new concept in the world of hacking. In this attack, the hacker positions themselves between two parties who are communicating with each other. The hacker then intercepts, possibly alters, and relays the communication between the two parties, all while remaining undetected. In the case of SMB and CIFS, this could result in unauthorized access to sensitive files and data. Another notable vulnerability is the potential for relay attacks. This is like a more sophisticated version of the man-in-the-middle attack. In a relay attack, the hacker not only intercepts the communication, but also actively impersonates one of the parties in the communication. This could allow the hacker to gain unauthorized access to network resources or to execute commands on the server. So, you might be wondering, what are the potential consequences of these vulnerabilities? Well, the consequences can be severe. Unauthorized access to sensitive data could lead to loss of privacy, identity theft, or even financial loss. Moreover, the integrity of the data could be compromised, resulting in corrupted files or loss of data. But it's not all doom and gloom. Awareness of these vulnerabilities is the first step towards mitigation. By understanding the potential risks, we can take measures to secure our networks, such as using encryption, implementing strong authentication mechanisms, and regularly updating and patching our systems. These vulnerabilities underscore the need for secure alternatives like Samba. Yes, my friends, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and its name is Samba. But we'll delve into that in the next scene. So, hold on to your seats, because this ride is about to get even more interesting. Samba provides a secure, stable, and fast file and print services for all clients using SMB CIFS protocol. So what exactly is Samba? Picture a bridge connecting different islands. In the world of networking, Samba is that bridge. It's an open-source software suite that glues together SMB and CIFS protocol clients, enabling interoperability between different systems. The beauty of Samba lies in its versatility. Whether you're on a Unix, Linux, or Windows platform, Samba's got you covered. It allows these diverse systems to share files and printers seamlessly. It's like a universal translator, bridging the gap between different languages. And the best part? Samba enhances security. It provides robust authentication and data integrity, making it a superior choice over SMB and CIFS. It's not just a bridge, it's a fortified, secure bridge. So Samba is not just about connecting systems, it's about doing it securely and efficiently. Now let's dive into how to install Samba. Installing Samba is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in, shall we? First off, we need to ensure our system is updated. You see, keeping your system up to date is not just about getting the newest features. It also ensures you have the latest security patches, which is essential for any tech-savvy individual. To update your system, you'll want to open your terminal and type the command sudo apt-get update. This command will fetch the list of available updates from your repositories. To upgrade the system, you'll then type sudo apt-get upgrade. Once your system is updated, we can commence with the installation of Samba. You'll type sudo apt-get install Samba in your terminal. This command will install Samba along with its dependencies. Now, we're not done just yet. After Samba is installed, we need to configure it. We'll use the command sudo nano etc samba smb.conf to open the Samba configuration file in a text editor. Here, you can specify your workgroup and server string, but remember, it's crucial to secure your Samba server. So you'll want to add some security settings to your configuration. These include setting security =user and encrypting passwords by setting encrypt passwords =yes. Once you're happy with your settings, save and exit the file. You can then restart Samba to apply the changes. Use the command sudo systemctl restart smbde. But what if you run into issues during installation? Well, troubleshooting is a big part of any tech endeavor. You can check the syntax of your configuration file with test_parm. If there's an issue, this tool will help you pinpoint it. And voila! You have successfully installed Samba. Now, you're ready to leverage the power of this tool to manage your network shares and enhance your tech prowess. Remember, learning is a continuous journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. So, we've covered a lot today. We've learned about SMB, CIFS, their vulnerabilities, and the secure alternative Samba. We've decoded the complexities of SMB and CIFS, and highlighted the crucial importance of these concepts to anyone with an interest in networking or hacking. We also introduced Samba, walking you through the installation steps. These tools and tactics are essential to understanding and navigating the digital world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Keep hacking!